Hello everyone. So in this video I will be showing you how to download Ubuntu OS in Virtualbox. So let's get started. So first we need to download Virtualbox. Okay, so just go to Google and type download Virtualbox. Okay, hit enter. You'll be getting this first link. Okay, and here we'll be having the list of OS. So I am currently using Windows host. So I will just click on download Windows. Okay. So if you are having any other OS, you can just download it. So it's about 103 MB in size. So just wait for the download to complete. So once the download is complete, you will be after opening it, you will be getting the VirtualBox setup. Just click next over here, and here this will show you the list of that is applications that is going to be installed. And if you want to change the location, you can just change location. For me, default is perfect. I will just click next, and these are basically the shortcuts. You can just click next. Installation, just click on yes. It is a very straightforward installation process. So can wait for some time. So it'll be asking, would you like to install this device software? Just click install, okay, and that's it. Your VirtualBox will be completed. So just click, check that option, and just click finish. So once you are done installing VirtualBox, just go to Google and type download Ubuntu, okay. Just hit enter, and you will be going to the first link, Ubuntu desktop, okay. Just click it. Just click accept all and visit sites. And here will be having the download option, okay. So it's Ubuntu 20.04.2.4, and just click on download. So it is about 2.7 GB of size, so it will take a lot of time, so just be patient. So once your Ubuntu ISO is downloaded, just go and open VirtualBox, okay. Just type virtual and you'll be getting Oracle VM box. Just open it and you'll be getting the VirtualBox manager. Here you need to select new, and here you need to just name of your operating system, which is Ubuntu. Just type Ubuntu and type is Linux, and version you need to also search the version for it. Just click on next. And here you need to allocate the amount of RAM that you are going to allocate for your virtual machine, that is your virtual Ubuntu OS. So by default it is recommended as 1024, which is fine. So if you have like large amount of RAM in your system, you can like allocate based upon your need, okay. So I'm just setting to 1640 something like that, or you can set 2000 something, so that's fine. Just click next. So this is for hard disk. I will just leave it to create a virtual hard disk now. So just click on create. So its recommended size is 10 GB. So hard disk file type, so it's virtual disk image. So just click next. I will leave it to the default value. And storage and physical disk dynamically, that's fine. Just click next. And this is the file allocation. You can just click on create. That's it. So that's it. Our Ubuntu OS has been now created. Now we need to just attach the ISO file. So just go to settings and to go to advanced. So you have to go to shared clipboard, you have to go to bidirectional option. Drag and drop, you have to also go to bidirectional. In system, so in system you need to go to processor and you need to select the amount of CPU. So I will just select it to 2, okay. But now go to storage, okay, and you will be having empty, okay. In that case, what you will do is just click on that option and go to choose a disk file, okay. And now you will be selecting the Ubuntu OS file, okay. That is the ISO file that we have downloaded now. So just go to downloads. You'll be having this Ubuntu desktop, okay. Just click on open, okay. That is in the controller IDE optical drive option. You will do this. This is very important. Without doing this, it won't work. So once you have done that, just go and click OK. So that's it. We are pretty much done with the setup. You can go and just change the display and storage as you want. After doing that, just click on start. So this is just starting our VirtualBox. So it's beginning to boot our device and it takes some time for checking the disk, okay. So once you are done, just click on install Ubuntu and select the language as you choose. So English is fine for me, and just click. You can just type and check whether your keyboard is working or not. So just click on continue. And you can just add it, okay. You can just click on just click on install now, okay. And otherwise you will be able to follow this manually. So just click continue, okay. So you need to select the time zone or the country where you are present. So after selecting that, you can continue. So here you will be entering your name, your computer's name, your username, password. So really be careful with the password. So once you have done entering all this stuff, you can just click on continue. And that's it, your Ubuntu will be getting installed. So that's it. After your installation is complete, you have to restart your application. So just click restart now. So once you're done with everything, you will be getting your Ubuntu. Okay, so that's it. Here is there. You can just go inside your Ubuntu OS and you can just use it in your Virtualbox itself, and you are good to go. So that's it. I hope you have found this video useful. My program channel. I've done many other videos in C, C++, Java, Python, as well as 3D Machine Blender. So do check out the rest of my channel. Subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.